life ya dating. Kaka tindajire mnonga by the way.
Okay, you're one of those lucky ones.
Tindajire mnonga. I remember even at my university I tried for dating. Relationship nisha nagyirugamu nyeka. Second year.
Wimuka wajat na one.
Guy nkimuka na cutting off communication na we arunda. What's wrong?
Zero. What was wrong, if I can ask?
There was nothing wrong.
He just ran away.
Kawani nkunda sente.
Urukureba ngo hatoguye antumbi. Natural.
Kawani nkunda sente.
So kuwa munazire what next?
Namara third year naza street ukore byanje. Boyfriend. Mayo kanta dating njere no dating ebiri yawo.
When kuwa birori yawo boyfriend I'm skipping like an husband.
I'm not married.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Not cool. But you are seeing someone?
Currently, I'm not. Actually, I'm not.
But you have seen someone before after that boyfriend?
You have seen someone before.
Okay. That's okay. Don't beat yourself.
If you a relationship from 2021 to last year.
To last year?
Yes.
Okay. It's okay.